I have been getting this question a lot, so today we will talk about AI copywriting and my opinion and thinking on whether it is a threat to human copywriting. Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe so that you will not miss our future videos. Also see the links in the description box below if you also want to download free Forex robots, indicators, courses, and books. If you are not aware, there are now lots of copywriting software out there that you can use, ideally to write copy for your promotional and marketing materials and campaigns without the need to hire a human copywriter. It's bad news for writers. Yes, for some time now there have been attempts at what is now called AI copywriting, which is basically algorithms that can in theory write better copy and more cheaply than human copywriters. But the arrival of ChatGPT seems to have just raised the bar. ChatGPT is here and panic is following in its wake. As a copywriter, I've watched with close attention as many of my peers have decried the existence of this infernal program and its seemingly hell-bent mission to take all of our jobs. But is the panic justified? Maybe a little. After all, didn't painters panic in 1816 when the camera was invented? I can imagine Delacroix turning to his frenemy Ingers and saying, "That's it, old pal, it's time to pack up the brushes. We've been replaced by a machine." But the key to staying relevant in the face of ongoing technological advancement is to always consider what humanity brings to the table. In the case of the great painters, it was feeling, the ability to convey emotion in a way that a camera couldn't. If it weren't for the invention of the camera, we may never have moved past painting things that look exactly like things, and movements like impressionism, abstraction, and expressionism may never have happened. So, back to copywriting. What is it that sets a writer apart from a robot? In my opinion, the greatest weakness of ChatGPT is the fact that it requires a written prompt to get it working. The user, in this case, a creative director in charge of a massive ad campaign, needs to tell the machine what they want, otherwise nothing moves forward. But when was the last time you met a creative director who knew exactly what they wanted? In my experience, my best and most exciting work is usually the result of a client coming to me with a crazy deliverable and no idea how to achieve it. They know they need something written, a blog post, a campaign, a sales pitch, but they are unable to string those fleeting sparks of inspiration together in a meaningful way. By using me as a soundboard, they are able to solidify their direction and realize what they've been trying to say all along. That's conceptual copywriting at its finest. It draws on a wealth of human experience to deliver something that speaks to other humans. Yes, ChatGPT is smart. Yes, it is being trained on our writing, and it does a remarkable job of imitating us. But can ChatGPT distinguish the good writing that it is being exposed to from the mediocre, the corny, or the downright boring? Because I can tell you exactly who can do that. It's you crazy talented human. So here's my challenge. Instead of falling into the ChatGPT panic trap and compulsively Googling new career trajectories, why not focus on all the things that make you, well, you? What can your humanness bring to a brief? Because ChatGPT isn't going anywhere soon, and even if it does, another will rise in its place soon enough. The age of AI is here, and it will affect our industry. They can take our briefs. They can take our clients, but they can never take our creativity. So, let's see ChatGPT pull off writing a subtle yet motivating ad for services. In the meantime, if you're looking for a copywriter who excels at turning topical discussions into powerful advertisements, you know where to find me. Together, we can face the future with confidence and creativity. Let's make our mark on the world of copywriting and show the world what humanity can do. Do you feel ChatGPT is also threatening the future of your craft or industry? What are you doing about it? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section.